Welcome to the world of Minecraft Hardcore. In this mode, you're in for the ultimate challenge. Once you die, that's it. No respawns. Let's explore what sets Hardcore mode apart from regular gameplay. The first step to survival is choosing a good spawn point. Look for a location that's safe, near resources like wood and water, and has plenty of room to explore. A flat area can also provide a good building foundation. Time is of the essence. On your first day, prioritize gathering essential resources like wood, stone, and food. These will be crucial for crafting tools, and building a shelter. Once you've gathered resources, it's time to build a shelter. Aim for something simple yet effective to protect yourself from hostile mobs. Remember, safety is key in hardcore mode. Next, think about your food source. Establishing a sustainable food supply through farming animals or crops ensures you aren't always hunting for your next meal. Stock up. Now let's talk tools. Prioritize crafting a wooden pickaxe, a wooden axe, and a wooden sword. These will help you gather resources and defend yourself effectively in the early game. When it comes to mining, the key is safety. Start by digging down to find valuable ores, but avoid straight down. Always dig in a staircase pattern to maintain a way out. Understanding mobs is crucial. Some are friendly, while others can be lethal. Familiarize yourself with their behaviors to stay safe and avoid unexpected encounters. Keep an eye on your health. Avoid falls, fight mobs from a distance, and always carry food to regen health when needed. Smart moves can save your life in hardcore. That's all for today's tips on surviving in Minecraft Hardcore mode. Remember, practice makes perfect, so experiment with these strategies in your own hardcore world. Good luck and happy crafting!